Hey, Rick here with another restoration, Chevy Monza 2+2, one of my favorite red lines of the 70s. I got this old beater for $1 at a flea market. You can see she's pretty cruddy, definitely seen better days, so I decided to restore her. Now I know the car was originally a Super Chrome series, but I'm going to convert into a Flying Colors red line. Why? Because I can. The car was drilled and taken apart. Look at that, 43 years of dirt and crud. This has got to go. I removed the old wheels, cleaned the base, and stripped the leftover paint from the body. The plastic windows were wet sanded with 2000 grit sandpaper, then soaked in floor wax. The car's body was cleaned thoroughly after stripping, and any imperfections were remedied. I then primed the body with white primer. Meanwhile, I sourced a set of redline wheels to replace the originals, which were beyond saving. The car was shot with enamel lime green, same as that of the original Flying Colors Monza issued by Mattel in the 1970s. A set of Monza decals resembling those on the original car were also sourced and applied, as shown. After a shot of clear coat and given time to cure, the car was reassembled. Can you say resurrection? And there you have it, another classic reborn. Thanks for watching.